So this is the former pond. We're about to rip this all out. We are having a wonderful time discovering lots of basically play sand.
The whole rock kind of takes care of itself. It's always a beautiful canvas that creates a picture for the whole pond. But with these small rocks, we kind of have to make our own picture, and it's a really cool experience getting to do that.
We finally have water running. There's still a lot more work that has to happen to finish this off, but this is always a super exciting part of the project for us. We are so close to being done. We've got maybe 3-4 more feet of liner to disguise an edge. And then we've got a bunch of cleanup work. We got some more retaining wall stuff we want to do. But for the most part, this pond is done and running. There's at least 10%. Those final detail things that still have to happen. There's still the cleanup, but it's a running, functioning, beautiful ecosystem pond with this gorgeous stream. We've got 4 waterfalls in this, and each one of these waterfalls is actually multiple waterfalls in each drop. We've got all sorts of different edge techniques. We've got some cobbleanches, we got some beaches. We've incorporated some wood, some downed logs, some stumps. There's all kinds of gems in here. We are waiting for moss to get delivered as well as our aquatic plants. As soon as that stuff comes in, we are going to plant this bad boy up. We're gonna incorporate a bunch of moss, which just makes this thing instantly look like it's been here for hundreds or thousands of years. It's an amazing technique that we typically incorporate by going out in the woods and harvesting moss, but since it's like 15 degrees out, that's not possible for us. So we've ordered some from a company that grows moss for all sorts of different things. So we've never tried that before, but as soon as it comes in, we're gonna put it into this atrium and see how it works. So I know it's not completely done, but this is a great opportunity to talk about. Earlier in the video when the waterfall was running, but all that liner and rubber and all that stuff was exposed like it is right here. What a dramatic difference it is when you've got that stuff all cut out and done properly and it disappears, how natural the stream section or even the pond itself looks. It is a huge difference. That's why we take our time with it. It's so important because you, 1, don't want to create any leaks, but 2, those finishing touches doing the edge work are what make or break a water feature. Makes it look like it's always been there or makes it look man-made. Of course, we got a little bit of the waterfall foam we have to hide with our moss. We're getting there, guys. What's up, guys? The pond is almost done. I'm super excited. So right now we're draining it down. We're storing as much of the clear water as we can. It's been running for a few days, so all of the dust and mud and dirt has settled down onto the gravel in the pond. So we're saving as much clean water as we can. And then we're gonna flush this pond out and get it really clean. While that's going on, Sixto, Dominic, and Mason are digging in the last couple of accent boulders or retaining rocks onto the far side of the waterfall berm. Once the water is all out of the pond, there are a couple of lights that we have to set in place for the waterfalls. We're gonna do some pea stone for a planting pocket and a little bit of foam work where we can redirect some of the waterfall water. And once we're done with that, we're gonna fill this thing back up, let it run, and come back in a week or 2 to put aquatic plants and koi fish in the pond. But besides that, this thing is ready for the opening day. February 14th, guys, that is opening day. Definitely come check this place out. The Butterfly Place in Westford, Massachusetts. It's gonna be filled with hundreds of beautiful, colorful butterflies, tropical plants that are gonna grow and turn this place into a jungle, koi fish, aquatic plants, waterfall, you name it. This place is gonna be serene. Make sure you come here and check it out.